Connect Plus Primary 1, Term 1.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Connect Plus.
Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say.
I have brown hair. I have blue eyes. I have brown hair. I have blue eyes. She has straight hair. She has green eyes. She has straight hair. She has green eyes. He has blonde hair. He has blue eyes. He has blonde hair. He has blue eyes.
Now, look, read, and check. He or she has green eyes. She has green eyes. She has green eyes. He or she has short hair. He has short hair. She or he has curly hair. He has curly hair.
Exercise 3. Look at the pictures. Point and say. She has green eyes. She has brown hair.
Now let's practice has and have. I have. I have. He has. He has. She has. She has. It has. It has. We have. We have. You have. You have. They have. They have. One. Circle, then color. 1.
She has black glasses.
2. I have brown eyes. 3.
He has black hair.
4. She has green eyes. 5.
I have black glasses.
2. Read and color. He has black hair. She has blonde hair. He has brown eyes. She has green eyes. 3. Complete. Then draw and color. One. Look, read and match. Say the name. 1. He has black hair and blue eyes. He wears glasses. He's 6. 2. She has curly hair and green eyes. She's 6. 3. He has brown hair and blue eyes. He's 7 years old. 4. She has black hair and brown eyes. She has glasses. She's 7. 2.
Now it's your turn. Look, read, and color.
Look again, then read and complete. 1. He has black hair and brown eyes. He's 6. He has black hair and brown eyes. He's 6. 2. She has brown hair and green eyes. She's 7. She has brown hair and green eyes. She's 7. 3. He has black hair and blue eyes. He's 7. He has black hair and blue eyes. He's 7. 4. She has red hair and brown eyes. She's 6. Now it's your turn. 3. Match.
One. Who is it? Look and play. She has blonde hair and green eyes. It's number 7. Yes. Today I'm wearing. Exercise 1. Read and complete, then color. Black, black, brown, brown, blonde, blonde, blue, blue, green, green, red, red. 2. Now talk about the people in exercise 1. She has blue eyes and green glasses. It's the girl in number 3. Learn phonics with Busy Bee. 1. Listen, point and say. Ben, ben, bag.
Pen. P. Pen. P. Pen. Bag. B. Bag. B. Bag. B.
2. Underline B and P. Say the words. Bus, bus, pen, pen.
3. Trace and say. 1. I have a black pen. 2. It's a red bus. 3. She has a blue bag. 4. He has a pen.
Write and say. P, B. Phonics. 3. Write and say. P, B. 1. Bag. 2. Ben. 3. Bus. 4. Pen. 5. Boy. 6. Pencil. Thanks for watching and goodbye.